using Save, Don't Save, and Cancel feature in the Word document. Open a Word document, and type a word, or a sentence. Select the word, or sentence as shown. Then click on the letter in the Home tab section. You may save your Word document by clicking on the Save button above, or click on File button and click on Save, or click on the Close button, as shown, and it will prompt you to save your Word document. Cancel button returns you back to your Word interface. Let's see what happens when we click on Don't Save button. In fact, if you click on Don't Save button, your work will not be saved. Notice the words Word Tutorial. It was set to bold, but it has not been saved. Now let's set them to bold and underline again, by selecting the two words, and clicking on B and U button. Click on Close button, or Save Options button, as explained previously. Click on Save button, and let's see if the Word document has been correctly saved. Notice the words Word Tutorial was set to bold and underline previously, and it is same, meaning our Word document has been saved successfully.